Hey y'all, thank you for watching this video. Let's go ahead and get these edges together. I'm gonna mix my hair with some rose water so that it won't be dry while I'm manipulating it. Product that I'm using today for my edges is the Edge Tamer by Z Boutique. I'm gonna go ahead and comb out my edges. They are a little long, so my process might be a little different from someone else's. I'm gonna just take a little bit. You don't want to take too much, and it also works best on clean hair. So I'm just spreading it along my edges, the part that I want to be sleek. I'm using the comb end of this brush, edge control brush, and I am just combing it in the directions that I want my hairs to go. You could find this brush at any like local beauty supply store. They're very cheap, probably like $2 or $3. This extra hair, the parts that like are too long to be on my edges, I'm just brushing it back real slick, and I'm going to twist it into my dread so that it can blend in. I'm also molding it down by just adding a little more on top of what I've already formed so that it can just seal together. And baby, you can already see the difference like immediately. I love this Edge Tamer. It's vegan ingredients. It's not cruel on your edges. Like, it doesn't have a whole bunch of harsh chemicals or nothing like that. Like, I love this edge control. I'm also gonna leave a link to it down below so that y'all can shop on their website. And the same thing that I did to one side, I'm going to do on the other side. It was hard for a long time to find edge control that works great for my hair texture, but I don't have any problems with this edge control. Now I'm just styling my hair the way I want it to be. And we're done. I hope this video was helpful. If you struggle to find good edge control like I did, this is a great edge control, especially for a 4-type hair texture. It does work on all hair types, but you know, if you know, you know. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys at my next one. Bye.